Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, unfortunately. Hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. So, kung gusto niyo pwede kayo magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. At kung gusto niyo naman po sa akin, Virgo Philippines at gmail.com or doon sa aming Facebook page. Ayan, Madam Space P. Ito yung mga details. TikTok Shop, Unipree, if you want to avail yung aming mga products. Let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. This is general love reading. Isang shuffle na lang. Okay, simulan na natin. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag mong pilitin ibigay mo sa iba ang reading na ito. Pwede mo naman i-check yung ibang video. You do have your Seven of Cups, the Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You want stability. Yung iba, you're thinking about your career, yung stability mo, gaano ka ka-stable, finances mo. Yung iba, if you do have utang, mga kautangan mo, loans, etc. Or if you do have a business or your home, you're thinking about this, your stability. For now, with the Sun, you are happy, pero nakakita tayo ng mga responsibility sa'yo, responsibilidad. Pagdating sa home, sa career, sa finances, yun nga, yung mga nabanggit ko kanina, na pwedeng ito nasa isip mo ngayon, and you want growth. Gusto mo yan eh. Pero, may mga bagay na gustong mo dapat i-end or dapat mo munang i-end bago ma-achieve itong growth na ito sa buhay mo. Okay? So, sino itong person na connect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo? Person na connect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Sino itong person na connect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Virgo? The World is here. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The World, King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I feel like yung person na to is giving everything sa'yo. Kung hindi pa naibibigay, ibibigay niya lahat ng kaya niyang ibigay para sa'yo. And the Page of Cups, some of you, maybe you do have a child dito sa person na to. Or maybe may connection kayo na may kinalaman sa children. Or maybe this is a person na may childhood memories kayo or connected kayo, during your childhood days. No? Even teenager years, ganon. Ano yung emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? You are worrying a lot. Don't worry. Masyado ka kasi nag-worry ngayon. And maybe, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, overthinking. Alam mo, yun yung nakakasira sa kung ano yung dapat masaya ka lang eh. Pero masyado ka nag-worry, masyado ka nag-iisip, and you want to make changes pagdating sa maybe buhay mo ngayon. Alam mo, the technique lang naman is to mag-concentrate lang ikaw doon sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo. And then, huwag kang magmadali. Yun lang. And kalmahan mo lang. Kumbaga, hindi mo kailangan ma-achieve agad-agad lahat ng isang bagay or lahat sa isang sandali, sa isang iglap. It takes time. And, I can see like katulad ng para ka nakapagkape eh. Parang gusto mo laging, alam mo yung taranta, nervyoso, regardless of the gender. So, ganun. Gusto mong mangyari lahat ng mga bagay na gusto mong na mga nasa isip mo agad-agad. And then, dahil hindi siya nangyayari, nagkakaroon ka ng overthinking, nagkakaroon ka ng pagkabalisa, and then no one is rushing you. Wala namang nagmamadali or minamadali ka eh. Kaya kailangan mong maghinay-hinay. Ano yung emosyon ng person na ito for you, the person that you're dealing with? The person that you're dealing with is the King of Swords and the King of Pentacles. Emotion niya para sa'yo. Clarify the King of Swords. King of Swords is clarified by the Seven of Swords. Clarify the King of Pentacles. The Star. And you do have here the Sun. I feel like itong person that, yung iba sa inyo, this is two person na kakonect mo. One of the person na nakakonect mo is the King of Swords, which is nagiging mailag, maiwas sa'yo kasi hindi niya alam kung ano yung maybe nararamdaman mo para sa kanya or ano yung gagawin mo. Parang unpredictable. You're so unpredictable para sa kanya. And hindi niya kaya yung ganon or ayaw niyang magalit ka, ayaw niyang may maging dahilan para ikaw ay madismaya or whatsoever. But the King of Swords is trying his or her best, babae man or lalaki, na andyan lang siya. I feel like takot siya. Tinatry niya yung best niya na maging okay ang lahat. Diba? Parang I feel like ikaw yung nakakapagpasaya dito sa person na to, pero maaaring hindi siya yung nakakapagpasaya para sa'yo. Okay? Sa ngayon. And then, the other person is like, malaki ang paghanga sa init ng taong to. The Star, Aquarius energy. And, I feel like masaya siya. Maaaring sa mga nakikita niya sa'yo. Or, ikaw yung wish fulfillment niya. Ikaw yung pangarap niya. Ikaw yung gusto niya. Okay. So, what will happen in the near future para sa iyo, Virgo? You do have the Justice card. Queen of Pentacles. Two of Cups. The Hierophant. And the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Pentacles. This is money. This is money. Nakakita ko ng old person. I feel like there's a person who is about to give you a lot of money. Yung iba, this could be utang or bayad sa utang. I mean, I can see some kind of, or kung hindi man utang, it could be mana, na maibibigay sa'yo. Judgment is here. This is like there's a victory here, pero may competition no, may competition bago mo makuha yung there's challenge bago mo makuha yung yung money na yun. Some of you, if this is kabayaran sa utang, pwedeng you need to fight for this, na parang kailangan mo puntahan yung tao na yun to tell this person may utang ka pa sa akin, etc. para makuha mo yun. And then you have to have this courage na maibigay or sabihin dito sa taong to na pinaghirapan ko yun, baka naman pwedeng this time mabayaran na ako, ganito ganyan. So I can see a lot of money in the near future. And most of you or a lot of you is kabayaran sa'yo, or this is something na pinaghirapan mo, maybe a late commission, ganun. In the near future, something to do with your career with the Justice card. Soon you will be the Queen of Pentacles. So nakita tayo ngayon ng like happiness sa'yo kasi financial gain ang nakikita natin. Pero, of course, naging mahirap bago mo siya magkaroon ng gain na magiging happy ka kasi nakuha mo. Medyo mag-i-struggle ka talaga ng konti. With regards to love, I can see one of here. I mean, both energies na nakukuha natin. Kung alin man dito yung kakonect mo, or you could be dealing with two people. Nakakita tayo ng happiness dito, victory. Why? Kasi may, like, I can see Scorpio energy. nakakita tayo dito ng maayos na relasyon, na connection. You know, when your finances is maganda, some of you, there's a relationship na apektado yung relasyon ninyo sa kung ano yung takbo ng finances ninyo. And if your finances is good, walang problema, you will feel happy, you will feel contented. Ganon din naman siya sa'yo. And then, because you are happy, you are contented, you are having, this money na nakukuha dito, I can see happiness din pagdating sa emotions and, relationship if you are in a relationship. So, the Hierophant, this is like a teacher. This is like a person, I don't know kung someone is going to teach you something in the near future, or ikaw itong magbibigay or magtuturo sa iba ng something. And then kung ano man yung ituturo mo, i-apply. Kung i-apply ito, whether ikaw ang tuturuan or ikaw ang magtuturo, kung i-apply ito, nakakita tayo ng magandang resulta mula dito. This is also victory, success. By the way, nakakita ko ng like repolyo or repolyo, sabi ko sana cabbage, pareho lang yun. So repolyo, like leafy vegetable. So I don't know if you're eating that right now. Kakain mo lang, especially repolyo or ano ba yung bagyo pechay. Basta yung something na parang kamukha ng repolyo. Yun nakikita ko. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.